along like a week ago, but we need time to like settle. And ของเอ๋เหมือนกันค่ะ we decided to sell this rubber plantation to make into something else. So the chainsaw is going on at the minute. So they're gonna sell this wood by a kilo, I reckon. But this one right is like about 12,500 baht.
Cài làm hỏi không? Hòm đi, còn rồi không? Mà được qua đấy. Đây, đi luôn. Đừng cầm bên đây.
Bye tree.
Cái là đây.
So they're gonna load the tree in that truck right there, because I don't think they can take the truck in here. The rubber is not very good timber, so you can't really build in it. It's very soft wood. It's not hardwood, so I think they're gonna sell it to the factory and they're gonna turn into some, I don't know, some kind of furniture. I'm not sure how they do it, but there's a lot of factories going on down in Pat Halong in the south of Thailand, because a lot of people do rubber plantation, and now again they try to turn the rubber plantation into the palm oil plantation. So they, or durian farming. But I'm gonna turn my land that used to grow the rubber plantation into food forest. So I'm gonna grow as many as different types of plant and tree and fruit tree as much as possible, so we can live off the land fully and don't have to rely on the market for food or anything. But we still have to buy some meat and all that, but you know, as little as you can. Beautiful butterflies.
Blue and black one. Yeah. And a white one. Yeah.
Gone out the rubber tree, but they considering buying them tree there over there as well. So yeah, I don't know how much it's gonna get for that. The puppy to come with the guy that's work on the line. Oh, hello, hello. The tree is all gone. So yeah, pretty looking forward to what's next. So this digger is getting rid of all the roots, like this tree stump. So when we want to turn the land into something, it's easier because, you know, all the tractor could come in and all the other diggers come in and do something with it easily. So yeah. 2,600 baht for a lot of timber here. You can turn into a lot of timber. You can make like roof structure or ceiling structure easily. You get a bargain there. Instead of using elephants like back in the day,